How to fix some keys on laptop keyboard not working in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix some keys are not working on your laptop keyboard on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is just open up your search, press on Windows button and search for troubleshoot settings. Once you search for troubleshoot settings, click on it. Once you click on it, now you'll get this kind of interface. Go with other troubleshooters. Scroll down and you need to find the keyboard troubleshoot. And once you find the keyboard, you just need to simply go with run, which will be on the right side. Once you go with run, then it will take you to the next screen. You'll have a blue kind of interface from where it will take you to the troubleshoot screen, and from there you can follow the on-screen prompt and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, or if you don't have a keyboard option right here, then you just need to simply go with search and search for keyboard troubleshoot, and here you will have fix and find keyboard problems, and you just need to simply go with next and you can follow the on-screen instructions. So that's how you can fix some keys on laptop keyboard not working on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.